everyone, good day. I am Mellomida from BTLEd-HE 2, and today I am going to be your tour in exploring the different methods of asexual propagation. If you're not familiar with asexual propagation, let me explain it to you. So asexual propagation is also referred to as the vegetative propagation, which involves taking the parts or the vegetative parts of the plants, such as the stems, roots, and the leaves, causing them to regenerate into a new plant, or in some cases, several plants. With some exceptions, the resulting plant is genetically identical to the parent plant. And now that we know what is asexual propagation, let us now delve into the different methods of asexual propagation. So according to Ms. Nova Tampon's report, there are 4 different methods of asexual propagation: the cutting, grafting, budding, and lastly, the method that we're going to perform today, the layering. So there are 5 different types of layering: the simple, the tip, the compound, or also known as the serpentine, the mound, or also known as the stool, and lastly, the type of layering that we're going to perform today, the air layering. So air layering, also known as marketing, a very familiar and common type of propagating plant, is a way of getting clones from woody plants that are difficult to grow roots from cuttings. So this method involves propagating a new plant from a branch still attached to the mother plant by getting the roots to grow on the branch. Before performing the air layering or marketing method, let me show you the materials that we will be needing in performing such method. First is the cellophane or plastic bag. Second is the soil. This is a peat soil. Third is the cutter. Fourth is the thread, which we're going to use to mark the branch or the stem. And lastly, a straw. So if available, we're also needing other materials such as the rooting solution and the gloves. So now that all the materials are ready and I'm also ready, let's now perform the air layering method. So now let's start performing the air layering method. So the very first step is choosing a branch. So I have chose the branch from a Lanzones tree, or scientifically known as the Lantium domesticum. So step 2, make markings on the branch or stem of the tree. So let's use the thread. So make sure that the markings is 30 centimeters away from the base of the branch. So step 3, cut the branch that you have marked earlier. So for safety purposes, you can use gloves in order to prevent cutting your fingers while cutting the branch. So the step 4 was supposed to be the adding of the rooting solution, but it is not available. Let us now proceed to applying the moss. But before applying the moss or the soil, let us prepare and transfer it into the plastic bag or cellophane. So now that our soil is ready, let us make some cuttings accordingly to the length of the cuttings in the stem. So finally, let us attach the soil into the stem using a straw. water it thoroughly and regularly. So that is how you perform air layering or marketing method of plant propagation. So I hope you have learned something from my video. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one. Bye!